What if we tell you that the light above your head could also be your internet connection?
Sounds like a science fiction, right? Well, it already exists, and it is called Li-Fi or light fidelity.
Hi, I am Sumaya.
And I'm Mifra. In this video, we will be taking you through the fascinating world of the Li-Fi, exploring how this innovative technology works, its advantages, limitations, and potential to shape the future of the wireless communication.
But here's the real question. Is Li-Fi the future of the internet or just another brilliant idea waiting for its moment?
Let's find out. Li-Fi is basically a technology that uses light to transmit data wirelessly.
This mind-blowing technology was officially introduced to the world in 2011 by Professor Harold Haas, an electrical engineer, also known as the father of Li-Fi. Harold looked at the messy, unpredictable power spikes in radio waves and saw an opportunity. He used the same logic that were used in chaotic radio waves into an LED bulb by commanding it to flicker in a way that would transmit data. Because light is far more stable than radio, those rules work perfectly, transforming a radio struggle into a breakthrough in high speed light based communication. This is the first functional prototype of Li-Fi he built back in 2006. Professor has conducted TED Global conferences demonstrating how a simple LED lamp could be used not only for lighting but also for transmitting data. In 2012, he co founded Pure Li-Fi, a company dedicated to turning this technology into commercial products. In 2015, he introduced using solar panels as Li-Fi receivers, allowing devices to absorb data while simultaneously charging their batteries. Time magazine named Li-Fi one of the 50 best inventions of 2011.
Now let's understand how Li-Fi actually works. Imagine you're typing a message on your phone. That information first reaches a Li-Fi router connected to an LED light. The LED bulb rapidly switches on and off at an incredibly high speeds, millions of times every second. This tiny flashes represents digital data in the form of binary ones and zeros. Since this changes happens so quickly, our eyes simply see a steady light. A device equipped with photodetector receives these light signals. The photodetector converts the light back into the electrical signals, and the receiving unit interprets them as internet data. So the process is simple. The internet data reaches the LED lamp, the LED rapidly flashes to encode the data, the photodetector receives the light, the device converts it back into the usable internet, and that's how light becomes your internet connection.
Li-Fi offers several impressive advantages. It's incredibly fast. Under ideal conditions, Li-Fi can achieve speeds of over 100 gigabytes per second. It's more secure. Since light cannot pass through walls, the signals remain confined to a room, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Li-Fi reduces interference because it uses visible light instead of radio waves. It works well in places where radio signals can cause problems. It is also energy efficient because it uses existing LED lighting infrastructure to provide both illumination and internet connectivity. It's low spectrum congestion. The light spectrum is 1,000 times larger than radio waves, meaning hundreds of devices can connect at once without slowing down the network. Since it uses natural light frequencies instead of radio waves, Li-Fi generates zero RF radiation.
Light can't pass through walls. Since light is blocked by walls, you need a special Li-Fi light bulb in every single room to stay connected. Interference from other lights. Bright sunlight or other strong household lights can mess up the signal and weaken your connection. Hard to send data back. It's easy for an overhead light to send data down to your phone, but your phone doesn't have a strong light to send data back up. Requires extra gadgets. Current phones and laptops don't have built-in Li-Fi parts yet. You have to plug in special adapters or dongles to use it. High cost. Because it's a new technology, buying and installing Wi Fi equipment is much more expensive than buying a regular Wi Fi router.
Despite all its challenges, Li-Fi has many exciting real-world applications. In hospitals, it allows wireless communication without interfering with sensitive medical equipment. Li-Fi technology has been implemented in India at Gujarat in Smimar Hospital and GMERS. In aircraft, internet access can be provided without affecting navigation systems. However, it has not yet been used in aircrafts but tested in Airbus corporate jets and commercial cabins. Li-Fi is also useful in underwater communication where radio waves perform poorly but light can still transmit data over short distances. It is generally used by military submarines and unmanned underwater drones. Li-Fi technology is used in Ladakh at remote and high altitude educational sites specifically for high-speed connectivity.
Wi Fi is a remarkable innovation that transforms something as ordinary as light into a powerful communication tool. With incredible speed, improved security, and energy efficiency, it has the potential to revolutionize wireless communication. Although there are still challenges to overcome, researchers continue to improve the technology. In the future, we may experience a world where every LED light also serves as a high speed internet connection.